Hi everyone, this is Julia with Exclusively Dance Studios, and today we're going to do a wonderful exercise which is going to help a lot to your posture in Latin and in ballroom. It doesn't matter. So I would like you to find the mat, yoga mat, if you have at home, or the carpet, and you'll be standing on your knees. And if you feel like it's too hard on the knees, you can always put yoga mat together, like 2 layers. Make sure that your knee position is underneath your hips, right? And so try to lift the core, engage the core, and also like stretch really up and open the arms to the side, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to lower with your tailbone towards your heels, right? So you're gonna lower towards your heels. Make sure you do not sink forward. You maintain the straight spine, and then lift yourself up using the glute muscles and your engaged back muscles. And then look to the right and really try to arch your upper spine and come back to neutral. And then repeat again. I will turn around for you and do it from the other position. So you're lowering tailbone down towards the heels, using the strength of your legs going up, and then turn your head to the left the other time, and really arch the upper spine, and come back to neutral. To help you to understand how much you need to arch, there's a cool example. You know how we guys take selfies, right? We always like extend the arm out on a straight elbow, and we're like trying to find the connections. So when you're trying to arch, I'm just gonna turn this way. When you're trying to arch, imagine you're looking at yourself about to take a selfie, and you really pull the head back away from the phone, and then you can really smile and take a selfie. I hope that helps. And so repeat this exercise as often as you can. Every day would be nice, but the result of the posture which every dancer has will be really guaranteed. So try to do it 10 to 15 times, 3 repetitions. And thank you again, and don't forget to like our video on YouTube. And have a nice day. Bye.